Hey, you guys, come down. I just added some more necklaces. This is not the minimum to Bird Dog Arts. So come down and get you some Orgonite necklaces. This is jade. This is topaz with gold. This is their four-leaf clover. But these Orgonite crystal energy remove negative energy. So if you have any spiritual vampires there, or you work in a high energy place, come to Bird Dog Arts and get you your Orgonite energy necklaces, which are just beautiful. And I have 9 more that I just brought down here. And just look at the place, isn't it beautiful? And then Brandon's over there. But these are the Orgonites that we have here. There are just 2 for 6 left. So these are for your house or your office. The Orgonites from chemtrails or your computer, keep you from getting cancer. But they're also just beautiful and they're great Christmas presents. This one has a light. See? These have lights too. They turn on from the inside. Some more Bird Dog Arts. And this is Brandon's neck of the woods. It looks just like a Sharpie. This is a new addition. Because he sold one. Look at that brick wall behind it. Look at this. For all y'all vintage car lovers. It's all Brandon. So both of us have lots of art down here. But the art here is so unique. So, and there's 3 rooms. So come to Bird Dog Arts and get you some art. That's Brandon's too. And up here. Come get you some art for Christmas. Art is a great gift. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, I forgot. These are getting ready to go up, and there's 4 of them. It's a set. So they're very unique, and they're actually antique. So, and a resin though. First come, first serve. Right, Berkeley?
Yep.